Thank you for being here today in Nice, and welcome to this forum. And really, many thanks to all of you, and especially those of you who come from very far. And this is really an international forum. It's not a French forum, and this is an international forum, and you are the proof of that. So many thanks for that. And I will try to be the timekeeper and try to provide the transitions from a session to another. And not to be long, I will ask Nathalie Drac-Temam, the president of Sorbonne University, and Yannick Briswater, president of the University of Côte d'Azur, to introduce the forum and welcome you as they know and as they are used to. Nathalie, Yannick, please. I leave you the floor.
Je te regarde, c'est parce que je te regardais, je ne te trouvais pas. Dear President of the University Côte d'Azur, dear Yannick, dear University President and Vice Presidents, ladies and gentlemen, in your respective title and positions, dear colleagues. I'm very happy to be here with you in this first International Forum of Marine Universities. Thank you, dear Christophe Prazuk. Okay. Thank you, Christophe, for organizing an event that enables to reaffirm the place of universities at the heart of this crucial issue, ocean protection. French universities have long been involved in marine science. Sorbonne University has been engaged for over 150 years, thanks to biology Henri de la Caisse-Dutier, founder at the Marine Research Station of Roscoff and Banyuls. Since then, a unique scientific heritage has emerged. Our interdisciplinary strengths in marine science are combined in our Ocean Institute. Our ecosystem makes Sorbonne University the third largest marine university in the world. Today, we are facing global disturbances that are transforming our oceans. Our scientific community actively contributes to national and international research in marine and climate science. This is proof that universities, as stakeholders in their territories, are both observatory and experimental laboratories. Our mobilization for One Ocean Science Congress on the UNOC is a prime example of these roles. Our institutions train scientists who will discover these answers to tomorrow's challenges. It is in our institutions that the younger generations will be trained and called upon to work for a sustainable maritime future. There are many challenges ahead, but they're worth it. Congratulations to the ICUP insiders, 9 young researchers from around the world, who report on social media in their native language about the scientific and political issues of the One Ocean Science Congress. Universities also support communities, as shown when our scientists participate in negotiation for the United Nations Environment Programme. We contribute to train public decision makers by offering an executive education program on ocean issues. In short, we are active players in science diplomacy. We also support citizens, including young people, with a science village currently taking place in Villefranche, near Nice, alongside UNOC. From Paris and Brest, Pascal, and Brest to Marseille, from Nice and La Rochelle to Tahiti, United is a network of marine universities. We combine scientific excellence, local roots, and international influence. But today, national responses are not enough anymore. Because the ocean is changing faster and deeper than ever. It raises environmental, geopolitical, and economical challenges that require collective response that transcends borders. Taking part in this first international forum today is an opportunity to reaffirm the values we cherish in a world where academic freedom is no longer an evidence. To take care of the changing oceans, we need strong, shared science that is open to society. This science cannot exist without universities that are fully recognized for their role as guardians, facilitators, and pioneers. The international cooperation we support, especially through students and professor mobilities, and thanks to our partners in research organizations, carry a global dialogue crucial to the protection of the ocean. Our agreements with Abu Dhabi, Nathalie, the chair of SUAD, Laval et Québec, Eugénie, I don't know where, the University of Laval, are a first step towards a broader structure. Today, let us hope that the foundation of this international network will contribute to generate influence for the protection of the oceans. Our responsibility is to work towards a sustainable world. Let us ensure that this network provides input to public decision makers so that they can take informed action for the benefit of all. Let it become a new building block in our edifice, reinforcing our commitment to a more resilient society. Let us put universities back at the center of the archipelago, because it's here at the intersection of knowledge, territories, and generations that a decisive part of our marine future and the future of humanity is being played out. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nathalie. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in Nice. A special welcome to our friends from Université Laval and from the University of Costa Rica, who are very important international partners of Université Côte d'Azur. Very pleased to welcome you in this very beautiful place called Centre Universitaire Méditerranéen, but which doesn't belongs to the university, but we are here today for this. I'm very glad and very happy to open this first forum with Nathalie Temam, the president of Université Côte d'Azur. And this forum is just after the One Ocean Congress and just before the Ocean Conference that begins on Monday. Today marks also a significant milestone for the global community, united in its commitments to protect our oceans. Oceans, you know that, covers more than 70% of our planet and sustains countless ecosystems and are facing today unprecedented challenges, from climate change and biodiversity loss to pollution, overfishing, and the threats are very complex, urgent, and borderless. In that context, the role of our universities becomes not only relevant, but vital. The role of universities in ocean protection is not only a commitment, it is a responsibility. Universities, our universities, we have a moral responsibility as a place where knowledge and skills are developed and where each generation is provided with a rigorous and relevant education. Universities have also an ethical responsibility as researchers who are aware of risk and their consequences, but also as scientists who know and developed evidence-based solutions, or at least solutions for adaptation and mitigation. Universities have also scientific responsibilities as scholars who first can tackle the complexity and the transdisciplinary requirement associated with the ocean biodiversity and resource crisis, but we can also reinvent concepts, reinvent tools, and beyond a more disciplinary approach. This responsibility goes beyond a strategic vision or a brand identity on sustainable development goals, but concretely irrigate all the activities carried out by the universities. Our universities, our marine universities, we are not only center of research and education. Nathalie told that about a little bit before, but we promote innovation, platforms for dialogue, bridge between nations. This is a place where science meets society, where knowledge is not only produced, but shared and applied. Today, more than ever, with this new forum, we recognize and we reinforce the role of scientific diplomacy. University, through international collaboration, joint research programs, student and faculty exchange, global scientific network, we are the main actors of this form of diplomacy. We can foster trust, dialogue, evidence-based cooperation between nations. We can also enable us to transcend political boundaries in favor of a shared vision, a healthy, resilient, and sustainable ocean. This forum, therefore, represents our common will to act, to learn from one each other, and to build lasting partnership. It is an opportunity to align our academic mission with the needs of the planet and to ensure that our science will serve not only knowledge, but also peace and sustainability. Let us make this forum the beginning of a long-term alliance between universities, between nations, and between generations, united by our responsibility to the ocean and to the future. Thank you. I wish you a very inspiring forum.
Thank you, Nathalie, and thank you, Yannick, for these very strong words. And this is a very good welcome and introduction to our